Hello everyone, welcome back to RPA Automation, your go-to channel for everything RPA. Whether you are just starting out or already on your journey as an RPA developer, today's video is packed with tips to help you evaluate your career to the next level. So let's dive into it. So first of all, we need to check uh, our RPA knowledge. First thing, first thing, master the fundamentals. A strong foundation is a key to any successful career, and RPA is no different. Make sure you are comfortable with the basic concepts like workflows, bots, and processes. Understand the core tool like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, and Blue Prism. If you are not yet certified, aim to get certified in the least one of the three platform. This platform so validate your skill. Technology evolves rapidly and RPA is at the forefront of digital transformation. To stay ahead, you need to keep up with the industry trends. Follow those leaders on LinkedIn, subscribe to RPA blogs, and participate in webinars. Stay informed about the latest updates, new features, and best practices. So next blog building is Next, build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your showcase, proof of what you can do. Include projects that demonstrate your expertise in different areas such as process automation, data extraction, and exception handling. If you are lacking experience, take on personal project or contribute to open source RPA initiation. Don't just stop at RPA tool, expand your skill set, learn scripting language like Python or JavaScript, but it's not mandatory. Additionally, gain a basic understanding of AI and machine learning as they are increasingly integrated into RPA solution. The more diverse your skill set, the more valuable you become to employers. Networking is a crucial. Join RPA communities. Join RPA communities, attend conferences, and participate in of forums. Engine with the peers, share knowledge, and collaborate on project. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help you to stay connected with the latest in the industry. Finally, never stop learning. The RPA landscape is always evolving, so continuous learning is a must. Pierce advanced certification, take online courses, and explore new tools and technologies. The more you learn, the more you can contribute, and the more you will grow. By following this step, you will be able to well on your way to improving your career as an RPA developer. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuation, learning, and passion for automation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering RPA. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. So, thank you for watching.